Welcome guys. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the key wiring details that you'll need if you're installing a radio, an alarm system, or an aftermarket lights on a 2023 Honda Accord and up. Let's break it down into one section at a time. If you're doing a radio, you're going to need 12 volts power. You're going to find it behind the radio is a blue wire. Radio ground is going to be black. Radio ignition is going to be red. Factory amp turn on is going to be green. On the radio on top of the dash is a 24 pin plug, pin number 20. Power antenna is going to be black. Left front speaker, blue, light blue. Right front speaker, gray, violet. Left rear speaker, blue, white. Right rear speaker, yellow, brown. Rear view camera video, white, red. If you're doing an installation like an alarm, you're gonna need 12 volts, which is going to be on the BCM behind the dash fuse box. On a white plug is going to be pink for the power, 12 volts. Second 12 volt is going to be a pink as well on the dash fuse box. On a green plug. Ground, you're going to get it on the chassis. Starter kill is going to be gray on the dash fuse box. Starter kill is going to be red on the VCM. Ignition is going to be violet on the VCM. Canbus high, light blue on the VCM on a white 66 pin plug. Canbus low, light green on the VCM. Canbus high 2, violet on the VCM. Canbus low 2, yellow. Canbus high 3, blue. On the OB data link connector, white plug, pin number 6. Canbus low 3, pink. On the OBD data link connector, white plug, 16 pin is pin number 14. OBD 12 volts is going to be pink on the OBD data link connector. White 16 pin plug, pin number 16. OBD ground, black on the link connector as well, pin number 4. You might also need power lock. Power lock you're going to use same as factory arm and lock detection. Power lock 2, blue if needed, VCM. Power unlock 2, violet on the VCM. Power unlock driver door, green if needed, VCM. Factory alarm arm, violet, it's going to be negative. On the power master switch plug is going to be on a 37 pin plug, pin number 3. Factory alarm disarm, red, is a double negative pulse on the power window master switch. And you might need power lights, yellow for the left, right, and yellow for the right rear. Driver kick panel, power lights 2, and you're gonna have parking lights. It's gonna be gray on the BCM. Parking lights negative, gray, alternate location. Headlight switch on a 12 pin plug, pin number 10. Hazards, green on the BCM. Hazards 2, green on the hazard warning switch. Turn signal on the left. Gray, left front, violet, left rear on the VCM. Turn signal right, tan. It's going to be the right front, and green, the right rear. VCM. Headlight is going to be yellow on the VCM. Headlight 2, yellow on the headlight switch. Auto lights, pink on the VCM. Auto lights 2, pink on the headlight switch. Left front door trigger, violet on the VCM. Right door trigger, blue, they're negative. Left rear door trigger, brown, negative. Right rear door trigger, white. Dome light, light blue on the VCM. Trunk hatch pin, white, it's going to be negative. Hood pin, brown on the hood latch switch. Hood pin 2, blue on the relay control module in under hood fuse box. Trunk hatch release, light blue on the VCM. Trunk hatch release 2, light green, is going to be on trunk lid opener switch on a 4-pin plug. Trunk release, no, you don't need that one. You might need tachometer, violet, AC on the crankshaft position sensor, engine driver side front. Horn trigger is tan below dash fuse box, 24-pin plug. Horn trigger number 2, tan on the horn switch. Horn factory alarm, green on the relay control module under hood fuse box. And I think that'll be all that you might need, but always remember, always verify with a voltmeter before tapping any wires. Use fuses, solder or proper connectors, and double check polarity. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos and share it with your friends. Thank you.